Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY, my name's Ben. In this video we're unboxing and trying out this, an air fryer accessory kit from Homely Life. Okay, so this is an accessory kit for air fryers. Will fit the Ninja air fryers, but will also be useful for other air fryers out there, not just the Ninja brand. So we're going to unbox this, see what we get inside, and try it out with a meal tonight. So you get plenty of stuff in here. It's $25.99 over on Amazon. There'll be links below in the description. And this is kind of everything you need from an accessory perspective, all in one box basically. So we'll unbox it, see what we get, see what the quality is like, and then we're actually going to try it out on the video as well. So let's see what's inside and see what we get. Okay, first things first are some, I don't know what you call these, kind of grips. So you can obviously use this for not just the air fryer, but also for your oven if you wanted to on pans. So it's just to stop you burning your fingers and grabbing stuff inside the air fryer. Probably for getting the trays out, so you don't have to burn your fingers when lifting stuff out. So they're the first thing you get. 2 of those, obviously 1 for each hand. Next up are some tongs. So some kind of mini tongs, but obviously great for grabbing stuff, turning stuff in the air fryer, in your baskets, with the lock on there as well to hold that in place. So they're really cool. Obviously silicone, which is really good for non-stick surfaces. Next up is this. So these I think are the actual trays that go inside. So I'll just open this up, it will be quite noisy. Well, as you can see, they were really well wrapped, really well strapped up. They are the 2 baskets that will go inside your air fryer trays. Full silicone, nice strong base on the bottom, so it's not quite a solid base on there. So you can see there it kind of holds its shape on the bottom. So you get 2 of them, which is great. Next up, let's have a look. So that's a brush, so that's a silicone brush, obviously brushing oils and sauces and marinades over any meats or vegetables. So you can see there, decent size silicone brush. Next up, we've got some metal grills. So they're metal grills and some little skewers as well that are built into there. So obviously you can use them to lift things up off the surface of the air fryer trays. So you can pop it inside there, for example. And that just allows you to cook 2 things at once. One thing on the bottom and then 1 on the top of there. We have done a separate video on some of these that we got on their own, which I will link to above here. Okay, one more thing in the box and something else we got out, but these are some kind of paper or butcher's paper trays to go on the bottom. So this is, I think, the idea of these to kind of stop things sticking to the bottom. I've probably use them inside your actual silicone tray, but you could use them on the bottom of your actual insert for your air fryer. So this lets the air come through still, as you can see there's holes in it, but just keeps the surface a little cleaner than it might be, obviously with build-up of kind of meat juices, etc. So there's tons of them in there. I'm not sure how many you get, but there's loads. I think there's maybe 50, perhaps. There's a lot of them in there, so they come included as well. So they're great. So we've got the 2 trays, the 2 grills, the pincers, the tongs, but also got this in here, which is an air fryer cooking guide. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so cooking guide. So this is a sticky back magnet, so you can obviously stick this to your fridge. I think is the idea of that. So you stick it on the back of there, and that will stick and mount to your fridge if you've got a fridge or another metal surface. But the air fryer cooking guide here, you can see there's tons of different stuff. So you've got baking, desserts, and snacks. It's got the temperature in Fahrenheit, Celsius, and the time, which is great. Things like cupcakes. What else have you got? You got all this stuff on the back. So there's tons. So you've got chicken on there with breast, boneless, tenders, thighs, whole chicken there. Whole chicken, 180 degrees for 75 minutes. That's pretty bang on as well, because we've done a video on a full chicken. I'll link up here somewhere to that as well. So that is great. So if you are quickly just wanting a really quick reference guide, I know for ours we've got the Ninja and we've got the cooking guide with it, but it's a book. It's a bit of a pain to scroll through. This is great because it's nice and well labelled. You've got all the different types of frozen vegetables, lamb, pork, beef, poultry and seafood, bakery, desserts and snacks. That's a great idea, and it's great that it's included as well. So nice handy little guide that can go in a drawer, or as I say, you've got that there that you can stick to the back of it and it will stick onto a fridge. So that's everything in the box, tons of stuff there. Okay, so that's everything unboxed out here on the table now, out here. So as you can see, and as you've seen, you get loads of stuff. So for $25.99, which is full price, it's currently offers on the product as well on Amazon, so the price will go up and down, but the full price is $25.99, which for all these separate elements, if you bought them separately, I can guarantee would be more, because I know I paid maybe £15 for this set on its own that I've already got. So adding these, obviously the tongs, everything definitely more separately than $25.99. So value for money wise, just in you know, in terms of what you get, is really, really good. Really great value for money in terms of all the accessories you get in there. So if you just got an air fryer, or you've had it for a while, or if you just, you know, anyone's got an air fryer, this is a great accessory kit. Just it kind of ticks all the boxes in terms of what you need. Okay, so what I think we're going to do now, well, what we are going to do now is we're going to take the accessory kit into the kitchen. We will be using some of this stuff now on this video, so I'm going to use these 2 silicone trays. Definitely going to use those. I'll be using the tongs, and what we're going to do some Chinese chicken and chips. So we're going to do some chips in one side, so some chips actually fresh from potatoes. So we'll cut some potatoes up, season them, oil them, get them ready, and use that side for the chips, and then we'll do the chicken in the other side. So this will just be some Chinese chicken, which we'll prepare. I'll cook some vegetables in a frying pan and add the chips and the chicken all into the pan and kind of mix it all together. But fundamentally, we're doing the main parts in here, so the chips and the chicken in the air fryer, and just see how we get on with these trays. This should really help with mainly around cleanliness, so not having to clean the trays as much, because the trays for the air fryers can be an absolute pain to clean or to keep clean. I'm speaking from experience there, because yeah, cleaning those when you've left them for maybe a day or 2 after cooking, you maybe forgot about them, they can build up quite a lot of grime, like an oven can really. So yeah, let's jump into the kitchen, let's cook some chicken, let's cook some chips, I'll do vegetables separately and see how we get on. Okay, all done and dusted now for this video. So hopefully you enjoyed obviously seeing the accessory kit and actually seeing it in use as well with some cooking. So the chicken, chips and vegetables came out brilliant. Obviously using those trays just saves on cleaning up mainly, but just keeps things nice and simple. You can kind of lift the food back out of the air fryer really easily. Obviously in the trays, but using those kind of pincer grips, the silicone grips, just making sure you don't burn your fingers. They will be really good actually just generally in the kitchen, you know, kind of getting trays out of the oven, other food out of the air fryer and just grabbing pans if they're hot. So they'll be really good just generally. The tongs again and the brush for brushing oils and marinades, etc. They'll be great in the kitchen just generally as well. So really, really good accessory kit there, kind of value for money, really brilliant in terms of what you get in the box included, the use of them. Obviously I've only used them once on this video. So in terms of durability and kind of how much use I get out of them in terms of the long term is to be seen. Again, like some of the other videos I've done, if I do see detrimental impact on the products, I will update the description below just to confirm if there's any issues kind of in the short, medium term. Hopefully long term, they are silicone. We'll use them quite a lot, so you wouldn't expect them to last forever at the end of the day. Products do have a lifespan, and if you're using them a lot, we'll get, you know, wear and tear will get to them eventually. But overall, in terms of the product, the accessory kit, really good value for money in terms of what you get in there. As I said at the beginning of the video, currently it's £25.99, but with a £5 voucher off built into the product on Amazon. So if you hit the link below in the description, that'll take you to the product and you can grab one yourself. So yeah, overall, really pleased, really successful product. And I think for anyone that's got an air fryer, either new to air frying or experienced and had it for a long time, the kit would be good for both. Maybe if you're looking for a gift for someone that's an air fryer person, you could get this as a gift as well. It would be a really good gift for anyone. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. It's been informative at least. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section what you didn't like about the video. Any questions about the accessory kit, about my air fryer, about the recipe we did, do drop that into the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey for more air fryer videos, home DIY projects, tech reviews and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.